Good morning, children. This is Shoaib sir speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter. Chapter is about geometry. So, we have dealt with a lot of things from geometry as of now. So, here in this video, I'm going to explain about some very important question, that is like exercise 18. I have chosen some questions to solve. These are very important questions. So, let us give start without wasting time. So the question is, take a point O on your notebook and draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter, 5.3 centimeter and 6.2 centimeter having the same center O. Okay, alright. So children, the very first job is what? We have to choose a point on our notebook. So suppose this is the point. This is the point which is name of the point is O. So now what we have to do, children, we have to draw three line segments separately first. We'll draw a line segment. Suppose it's a line segment of 4 centimeter. Suppose this is of 4 centimeter. Now the next line segment we'll draw, that is of 5.3 centimeter. Suppose this is 5.3 centimeter, and we'll draw another line that is 6.2 centimeter. Suppose this is 6.2 centimeter. Okay, children, and as we are asked to draw three different circles using the same point, money the center of those three circles will be same. So our first job is we need a compasses. Well, first, suppose this is my compasses, children. I'll first the measure of this line segment using the compass. Okay, once I measure the line segment using the compass, I take the measurement of this line segment using compasses. I'll place the compass needle over here with the same measure, and and this is my pencil part and this is the needle part. By keeping the needle on the point O, I'll just give one arc like this. I'll just give a arc like this. So what will be formed? One circle will be formed. I'll just draw the circle by holding the compasses, needle of the compasses, keeping on O. I'll just give a round and I'll form a circle. So children, the circle which will be formed, the radius of that circle will be 4 centimeter. What I'll do next, I'll take the compasses again and I'll measure this line segment 5.3 using compasses. Keeping the needle at this very same point O, I'll give one more arc. I'll draw another circle. So children, the radius of this circle will be 5.3 centimeter. Okay, now I'll just take the compasses. I'll measure this line segment 6.2 centimeter using compasses. I'll place at O and I'll just give one arc. I'll draw one arc and I'll draw one more circle. So what will be formed, children? Three different circles will be formed sharing the same center. Suppose this is O, so it's a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Another circle of radius 5.3 centimeter, and I'll draw one more circle. Of radius 6.2 centimeter. So my job is done. Our work is done. Children, I cannot use compasses on my digital board. This is why I'm explaining orally. You will try out with compasses by taking actual measure of the line segment. If the line segment is 4 centimeter, you have to take the measure of 4 centimeter, then 5.3, then 6.2, like this. I believe my explanation was very clear. Let us understand question number 2. Draw a circle with the center C. Okay, let me draw a circle. Name of the center is C. This is the point C. Radius should be 4.5 centimeter. So children, make sure that you are drawing the circle of radius 4.5 centimeter. So using the same process, you can draw a 4.5 centimeter line segment outside. By using compasses, take the measure of this line segment, place the needle here at C and give one arc. Okay, Mark point PQR such that P lies interior of the circle. So suppose this is the P, a point, interior of the circle, inside the circle. Then Q lies on the circle. Suppose this is Q, lying on exactly on circle, means the then outer curve, outer line or the curve of the circle, and R existing exterior of the circle. So suppose this is the exterior point R outside of the circle. So I drew 3 points P, Q, R. The following is in this way, like P is in interior of the circle, Q is on the line of the curve or line on the circle, lies on the circle, and R is exterior point. So children, I believe question number like 2 was absolutely clear. 3 is exactly same, and the 4, which is to be done using the concepts of formation of circle. So like your part of job will be to deal with question number 3 and 4. If you get difficulties, feel free to speak, and please drop your queries in the comment section. And please try out these sums or this constructions and submit the work in the Google Classroom. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.